This is BYU Math 112. In this video we will discuss textbook section 3.6, exercise number 45. Our directions read, use logarithmic differentiation to find the derivative of the function. The given function is y equals x to the power sine of x. So we want to use logarithmic differentiation. Our first step is to take the log of both sides, or the natural log. So we'll have natural log of y is equal to the natural log of x to the power sine x. Now, one of the properties of logarithms that we make use of often is the fact that if we have the natural log of something to a power, that we can pull that power out. So the natural log of something a to the x power is the same as x times the natural log of a. So we're going to use that back over here to rewrite the right side as sine of x times the natural log of x. And now that we have those functions separated, we're going to take the derivative of both sides. So the derivative of the left side, the derivative of the natural log, is 1 over whatever's inside the natural log. And since we're taking the derivative with respect to x, we have to treat this like we're using the chain rule, times dy dx. And now on the right side, we have the product of two functions, sine of x and natural log of x. So we take the derivative of the first. Derivative of sine is cosine x times the natural log of x. So we took the derivative of the first times the second, plus the first times the derivative of the second. Derivative of natural log is 1 over x. So now we can simplify. We can multiply by y on both sides. So we have dy dx is equal to y, and we go back up to our original problem, y equals x to the power sine of x times, we should do this to show what we're doing, and then we have cosine of x ln of x plus sine of x over x. And that is how we use logarithmic differentiation. We use the natural log to get the exponent out. And again, this is a handy one to know. And once we get that power out, we have normal functions of just x. We can take the derivative, both sides. Remember that when you're taking the derivative of y, a function of y with respect to x, that you have to use the chain rule. And then you simplify as best you can, making sure that when you're done, you don't have any y. You don't have this y over here. You go back to make it a function of just x. And that's how we do exercise number 45.